this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today, I will be reading Ferdinand and the Vanilla Ice Cream, written by Grgo Mišković, illustrated by Toma Mišković. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I have included links where you may find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dedicated to my beloved wife and children. Ferdinand and the Vanilla Ice Cream. Ferdinand is not a very big creature. He is an ordinary little bug. Well, not exactly ordinary. He is known by many names, like pillbug or woodlouse, and some even call him a roll-up-bug or a roly-poly. That's because of his ability to roll up his entire body into a ball smaller than marble in just a moment. Ferdinand is a special roly-poly because he likes ice cream, especially vanilla-flavored ice cream. Ferdinand likes vanilla ice cream so much that during the night he sneaks into an ice cream shop and eats it. Well, he is so small that nobody even notices him. As small as he is, he can barely eat as much ice cream as you can put on the top of the smallest spoon you've ever seen. Although being that small, once the ice cream man saw him and decided to crush him. But Ferdinand, as he rolled up in fear, started to apologize. "I'm sorry, I shouldn't have been stealing your ice cream. Forgive me, don't crush me, please. I'll do anything you want. I'll pick up all the crumbs from your floor and sweep up the whole ice cream shop." "But how are you going to do it?" asked the ice cream man. "You're too small." "Do not fear, you'll see in the morning," Ferdinand replied. And the ice cream man agreed. Ferdinand brought a little broom and started to sweep. But soon he realized he'll be able to clean only a tiny part of the floor, since he was so small. But Ferdinand has a lot of friends he likes to play with. So he invited his friends to help him. Grasshopper Marty, Earwig Philippa, Ladybug Katie, Bee Zuzu, Wasp Erica, Longhorn Beetle Theodore, and the whole ant family. Together they swept the whole ice cream shop, so well it was as clean as a whistle. The next morning, when the ice cream man saw how clean his shop was, he rewarded Ferdinand and his friends with a big cup of vanilla ice cream. They all ate until they were full. Later, they went sunbathing, swimming, and played with inflating toys in the sea. "Isn't this a lovely summer?" asked Ferdinand his friends. "Beautiful," they replied. The end. Here's a little bit about the author and illustrator. Grgo Mišković enjoys thinking up stories, guitar playing, singing, jogging, bike riding, and a lot of other activities, especially with his children. He has a wife and 4 kids. He is a teacher and enjoys his job too. He lives in a beautiful town on the Croatian coast, Zadar. Toma Mišković is 11 years old. He simply adores cars and everything about them. He enjoys riding everything on wheels, from bike to scooter, and is very good at it. He also likes drawing, watching TV, playing online and offline games. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.